So let's see how we can remove footer from a website, or you can edit the footer. Here you see copyright and you would see the theme name and developed by. It is by default written WordPress and which theme it is. You can completely change the footer copyrights. Go to dashboard, theme editor. Here you can see all the files. Proceed with I understand since you will be playing with the code. Here's the theme. Go to theme functions. If directly it shows footer.php, you can also try and find here. Otherwise, you can check in the files where your footer is. So we can search, Control F. Here it is written developed by. So whatever words you want to search, so we can find that line of code easily. So here I have found the footer, which is footer copyright developed by Yummy Recipe Blossom Themes. So you can change it here completely. So we'll just edit this. Let's see the footer here once. It's theme's name and developed by. Perfect. Let's change. So here I'm changing, I'm just removing this. I'm just writing developed by. Or if you want to remove this, you can completely remove this. Also, you can put the link if you want where it should go. If you don't want to put, you can again remove this. Here it is written Blossom Theme Yummy Recipe. You can remove it entirely. You can remove this WordPress link. Let's try and first remove and see how it's happening. And I've also removed this. Wherever you find the names, you can remove it. Powered by, let's say I've just removed this also. I've removed all the names. I've removed. So it would be by default, of course, copyright. And you can write your name maybe. Let's say I'm writing. And here again, I'm removing this. So I'm writing developed by. I'm just writing my name here. First, let's try and see how it is editing. Let's say I'm writing my name. I'm removing this. I'm also removing this. Just to check how it works. And go at the bottom, update file. The file has been edited successfully. Go to your main site and refresh. Here you see the footer, copyright, the site's name, all right reserved. It's written developed by space. So the 𝗙𝗵𝘁 is not yet echoed here. Let's go to developed by line and we can just write there itself, developed by. Without getting much into code, we are just putting things here. So even being no-brainer with coding, you can change things. You can just find the names and just change and update files. That's it. Perfect. So here you see copyright, caffeine and art, all rights reserved, developed by 𝗙𝗵𝘁. That's how you have to proceed.